Welcome back to App IQ, and today I'm going to show you how to use Canva's charts and graphs. To access charts, go to Elements in the left panel and scroll down to the bottom and you'll see Charts. Select See All and you'll see a bunch of chart types to choose from. You can choose between bar, line, pie, or area charts. You have other charts, you have infographic charts, bar race charts, hierarchy charts, scatter and dot charts, area charts, and so on. I'm going to simply choose this bar chart, and from here you'll be able to edit your data. So going back over to the left panel, you can go to Customize, and you can customize the text. You can edit labels, edit legends. You can add titles, subtitles, sources. You can even edit the x-axis, the y-axis, and go to settings lastly, and you can turn off grids. Another premium feature is to add filters. You can select add and so on. Going back up to the top and selecting data, back to the original page, and here you can also edit your information. You can also import data. You can swap rows and columns, and you can also delete or clear data. So charts and graphs, guys, are used to help you present data in a clear and engaging way, and it makes your data look both professional and visually appealing. That is it, guys. Very easy and very simple.